Prime Minister outlines plan to repair and replace damaged infrastructure from flood rains. Worrying death toll, COVID fatalities inch closer to 200. And national male footballer among 5 shot in Portmore St. Catherine.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you believe we should consider concrete roads in light of the damage to the island's road network, even though it's more expensive than asphalt? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.